Be it a personal workspace or a professional construction site, proper lighting is important to complete the essential tasks. LED work lights are considered the best option among various types of work lights as they are versatile, energy efficient, affordable, and brighter. There are many products available to choose the best work light, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DEWALT 20V Max LED Work Light. With its 5000 lumens of natural white light, this portable all-purpose battery-operated LED work light from DEWALT is powerful enough to illuminate a job site or a workshop and last an entire workday on a single charge. Using the manufacturer's ToolConnect app, you can operate the light conveniently from your smartphone, including setting a remote schedule for when the light powers on and off. This LED work light is sturdy and durable enough to withstand being dropped and other accidental impacts. Unfortunately, the tripod, battery, and charger are all sold separately, and there is no corded option. Number 2. PowerSmith PWL124's 2400 Lumen Weatherproof. This portable, weatherproof LED work light from PowerSmith is bright enough to illuminate just about any project. While this particular version offers 2400 lumens, you can choose from among 5 models that range from 1080 lumens to 7500 lumens. With its compact design, it weighs in at under 2 pounds and suits projects in small, hard-to-light spaces like cupboards and closets. The light tilts 360 degrees so you can aim the beam in any direction, and since it stays cool to the touch, you won't accidentally burn your hands. Some users may find the 5-foot cord a bit short, and the blue tint of the light's bright white color temperature may not appeal to everyone. However, this work light is a sturdy, durable, and versatile option while remaining at an affordable price point. Number 3. CAT CT1000 Pocket Cob LED Flood Beam. With a handy clip, you can attach this small LED work light from CAT Work Lights to a shirt pocket or collar. It also features a magnet at one end, so you can easily operate it hands-free with it not on your person. Since it is only 6 feet long, it is ideal for use in confined spaces or hard-to-reach areas. This small work light is lightweight, water-resistant, and battery-operated via 3 AAA batteries. The light is surprisingly bright for its size, and the battery life is superior. The magnet lacks a bit of strength, and the product could prove relatively fragile if you drop it, but at this price point, you can't go wrong. Number 4. BOSCH 12V Max LED Cordless Work Light. Weighing in at just 11 ounces, this lightweight cordless LED work light from BOSCH offers 10 high-intensity lights that provide an adjustable light beam. You get up to 12 hours of runtime to finish your list of projects. Features like a self-standing bracket, powerful magnets, a carabiner clip, and the option to attach the light to a tripod provide plenty of options for securely mounting it in your work area. The light's compact size, adjustable bracket, and varied angles mean you can shine the beam into small, hard-to-reach, and awkward spaces. But since there is no low battery indicator, you might want to keep an extra battery nearby. Rechargeable 2.0Ah or 4.0Ah batteries are not included. Number 5. Powerfirefly LED Work Light. Lastly on our list is the Powerfirefly, a small, compact chip-on-board LED work light. This light has a rotating light form factor with a strong magnetic base that makes it great as it sticks down to any metallic surface. Thus it gives a sense of standard lighting for point job work, such as repairing small boards on high-rise buildings, large machine etc. The light features a powerful chip-on-board based SMD LED bulb. Compact in size and highly portable. So small that though it has a standard design, it easily fits into a toolbox or a tool pouch. A simple push on and off button. Though a high-rated portable product, there is not proper warranty literature. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products.